Immerse yourself in the heart of Brazilian culinary traditions with this extended pamonha recipe. A beloved and classic dish that's a staple in Brazilian festivals, especially during Festa Junina. Pamonha is a sweet or savory corn tamale, known for its creamy texture and rich flavor. Begin by selecting fresh, sweet corn. The quality of the corn is crucial as it's the main ingredient. Husk the corn, carefully preserving the husks, as they will be used to wrap the pamonhas. Remove the silk and rinse the husks for later use. Cut the kernels off the cob and blend them with a bit of milk to create a smooth, thick batter. The milk helps to enhance the creaminess of the pamonha. For a traditional sweet pamonha, add sugar and a pinch of salt to the batter. If you prefer a savory version, you can add grated cheese, such as queijo minas, or small pieces of cooked sausage. To assemble the pamonhas, take a couple of corn husks and overlap them to create a sturdy wrapper. Spoon the corn batter into the center of the husks. If making savory pamonhas, add your additional ingredients on top of the batter before wrapping. Fold the husks around the batter, creating a package. Secure the ends with kitchen twine, ensuring the batter is completely enclosed. This traditional method of wrapping not only imparts a subtle corn flavor, but also makes for an attractive presentation. Bring a large pot of water to a boil. Carefully place the wrapped pamonhas in the boiling water, and let them cook until they are firm and the batter is set. This usually takes about 45 minutes to an hour. Once cooked, remove the pamonhas from the water and let them cool slightly. Serve them warm, unwrapping the husks to reveal the creamy, flavorful corn mixture inside. Pamonhas can be enjoyed as a snack, a dessert, or even as a side dish. They are a delightful representation of Brazilian culture, offering a taste of the country's rich agricultural heritage and culinary creativity. Enjoy your homemade Brazilian pamonhas, a simple yet delicious treat that brings the flavors and joy of Brazil's traditional festivals to your table. Whether sweet or savory, these corn tamales are sure to be a hit with family and friends.